Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pause Instagram reel, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, let's go ahead and access our Instagram app on our mobile phone, and this is how it's gonna appear, right? So right over here, for you to pause it, all you have to do is first of all tap on this reel icon, and now we can see the reels are simply gonna be appear here. We can browse through it however we like, right? So let's say if there is a particular reel that you want to simply pause, all we have to do is simply tap on it, and that way simply our sounds will turn on and turn off. For us to pause it at a certain point, we'll have to simply long press on it, and then our reel is gonna be paused at that space. When we leave it, it's gonna start continuing again. Long press on it and it's paused. Even if you go to three dot icon in the bottom, we do have option of manage captions, use as template, QR code, etc, but we won't be able to find a particular button or icon to pause it. All we have to do is long press on it, and there we go, the reels are paused. It will work differently on your laptop or computer. You can simply tap on it and it will be paused, but not mobile reels on your mobile phone. You simply have to pause it. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.